Hi, I'm Kenneth Kondas, and we're going to be talking about the composition of the Opera House located in Denmark. And this is in association with the amazing photography book, which is The Art of Composition. Getting right into it, we're going to take a look at this image and find out that the focal point here is the Opera House. It has the highest amount of contrast, is the brightest thing in the image. Also, if we take a look at the rule of thirds, you're going to see that there is a line that intersects and aligns directly with the top of this guy right here, which is the rooftop of the Opera House. So what we have is 1/3 up here and the other 2/3 down to the bottom. The other thing that this composition has that makes it strong is the 90-degree angles, which are lots of spots. You'll find that with architectural photos, lots of 90 degrees. Okay, giving the image strength. Okay, over here too, over here. And the other thing is, if this dock wasn't there, it wouldn't be balanced. So what this image has is called asymmetric balance. So we have a dock that is small compared to the Opera House. However, because of its placement in the corner of the image and because it's much darker than the Opera House, it helps to counterbalance this much bigger center bright Opera House. For more information about composition in photography, visit amazingphotography.net.